Welcome to Stylocraft hobby classes. In this video we will learn one background for calligraphy coat. Okay, so here I'm using white paper sheet, masking tape and any three colors. I'm using pink, orange and peach color here, and these are my brush pens, Camlin brush pens. Okay, now first take your white paper sheet and now take your paper tape. Okay, just stick your paper tape all over your sheet. Now it's ready to use. Now I'm taking my colors. So first I'm taking any one color. So I'm taking my pink color and I'm starting here, from here. So just press your pen and do like this. Now take your another pen and again do like this. Now I'm taking my another and do here. Now repeat your colors. So first I'm using pink, after this the orange one, the fluorescent orange color, after this peach color. Okay, and again repeating the colors like this. Okay, now the next block. So for the next block, first I'm using my pink color like this. First start from your pink color, then my next color is my orange color, my fluorescent orange. After this I'm using my peach color. Now repeat the colors like this. Okay, like this, and we have to repeat the process. Okay, like this. Okay, now we have to follow the rules or follow the process all over your shapes, all over your spaces here. Okay.